Good morning all of you. Myself Sandeep Parashar and I am welcoming you online classes, computer class, 10th class. 10th class we are reading unit 4 from part A, entrepreneur skills. In this we had completed qualities of entrepreneur skills. Now we are going to discuss main function of entrepreneur. The main function of entrepreneur is decision making, management control, division of income, risk taking, and uncertainty bearing. And last and final, innovation. In this, we have first decision making. I already told you whenever we will become an entrepreneur, our first thing is how to motivate ourselves and how to decide our self goal. In this, we need to take a major decision every time. So decision making is the main powerful thing in any entrepreneur skills, like what to produce, how to produce, and how to sell in the markets. Management control. In entrepreneur, only one person is responsible, or maybe two, but how we manage everything, because in starting we don't have so many people, so how we manage and how we give them skills and how we conduct with other peoples, it will come in the management control. Division of income. Division of income means in big business there is no problem, but in lower business, in a small business, we have so many problems like rent of building, machineries, marketing. So we need to divide our income in these sources and in these investments. Risk taking and uncertainty bearings. Risk taking means sometimes an entrepreneur will be become a risk taker, because without risk we can't do it any business. So risk has two types: measurable and insurable and uncertainty risk. Measurable and insurable risk. Insurance, all of you are familiar with this word. Insurance means everything is secure with government. If any loss happen, then government give the money back. Uncertainty risk. Uncertainty means something like disasters, natural disasters, floods, then nobody will give them money back. Innovation. If we are going to start a new business, innovation is the first thing. We need to think regularly new ideas, new skills, new techniques. We need to discover new markets where we can sell our products. So an entrepreneur will be innovative. Now some myths about entrepreneurship. These are only myths. Like first, entrepreneurs are high risk takers. This is not a correct thing. Entrepreneur is not a high or low risk taker. It is just a game. If you do it correctly, you can do it better in your business. But if anything happened, then it will become as a risk. Every business has some challenges. So if you face challenges, you need to become great. Next, entrepreneurs are born. This is not a correct thing. If we are from Ambani family, then we will open our business. This is not a correct thing. If you are from normal family and you are able in any skills, you want to take risk, then you can open your business also. So you can become as an entrepreneur. Entrepreneurship are mainly motivated to get rich. This is not a perfect thing. In the last class I already told you, this is not a shortcut. Open a business and become rich in just in a 2 or 3 months. This is not a perfect thing. If you are going to start your business, then you need to give them 1 year, 6 months, 2 years to set up your business, and after that you will gain your income. Entrepreneurs give a little attention to their personal life. This is not a proper words. This is not a correct thing. Entrepreneurship can be close anytime is business and go with family. They make time management. they give time to the family and to the business also. They decided the time. Entrepreneurship are loners and introverts. This is not a correct thing. If you have guts to become an entrepreneur, you can do it. This is not a thing. If you are an alone person, you like to be alone, you start your business. Entrepreneurship finance their business from venture capitalize. This is not a correct thing. We can find out our source. We can give them from the fund, from savings, and this is the only last things from the venture. Entrepreneurs are often ruthless or deceptive. Some people believe that we have to discipline to become a successful entrepreneur. On the country, this attitude does not work well for entrepreneur. Last time I already told you in this class. If you want to become entrepreneur, you want to start your business, we need to have a great communication skill, because only one person is responsible. This is you and I. So if you want to make up your business, you need to be good communicator, not like a ruthless. Some other myth include the only requirement of an entrepreneur is a good idea. This is a correct thing, but this is not a enough process. Starting a new business guarantees freedom to its owner. No way. Whenever we start our business, it is very time consuming. Only money motivate employees. Business either flourishes or fails. If you are able, you have guts, it is flourish. No need to think. All responsibility falls on the entrepreneur. Yeah, sometimes it's true, because we are only decision maker now. There is a secret, silver bullet or golden key to success. There is no key. Business needs someone with an MBA at the help. No way. If you so many examples of they don't have MBA degree. Dhirubhai Ambani. Quitting is for losers. If you think you are not able, then you can quit, but in a good way. Entrepreneurship as a career option. Developed countries are moving from managerial to entrepreneur. Means they don't want to become a employee in any company. They want to become a entrepreneur in our company, in your company. India is ensuring that entrepreneurship is encouraged as career choice for the young. In this national education policy, government announced we don't want to give them a degree, we want to give them a skills. Nowadays everybody wants skills, because if you finish your graduation, what we do, we just trying to go in the government vacancies, and there is no government vacancy, so we can't do it, we just sit at home. So develop your skills and go in skills. 87% of students surveyed and they want to start business. Encouraging entrepreneurship. We have educated youth, but job opportunities are low. So the government started Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship was set up by the Government of India in 2014 through the Make in India. Educational institutes are providing courses on entrepreneurship. A large number of incubator and business accelerators have been set up to mentor, coach and train entrepreneurs. We can learn from YouTube's webinars, seminars, and we can do it. Alumni of various institutions are returning to their campus and active involving themselves in mentoring and creating an angel fund. The current ecosystem for entrepreneurship is indeed vibrant. Nowadays, this is the good time. So, being an entrepreneur teaches life skill, increase creativity and problem solving skill, because we are alone, we are only decision makers, provides a better understanding of business and market economics. Peter Drucker said the best way to predict the future is to create it. If we want to become our future in our hand, so we need to create it, not based on anyone. stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.